Welcome back to JC Wealthsolution. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on the minds of many investors: real estate investment trusts, or REITs, versus investing in physical properties. Which avenue holds the key to unlocking your financial goals? Join us as we dissect the pros, cons, and nuances of each option, helping you make informed decisions about where to put your hard-earned money. Understanding REITs. Let's kick things off by understanding what REITs are all about. Imagine owning a slice of prime real estate without the hassle of being a landlord or managing property maintenance. That's the beauty of REITs. These investment vehicles allow you to invest in real estate without having to buy, manage, or finance any properties directly. Dive into diversification. REITs offer a unique opportunity for diversification, allowing you to spread your investments across different types of properties, such as residential, commercial, or industrial. This diversification can help mitigate risks associated with investing in a single property. Accessible to all. One of the most attractive features of REITs is their accessibility. Unlike purchasing physical properties, which often require substantial capital, REITs allow investors to participate with smaller amounts of money. This democratization of real estate investment opens doors for a wider range of investors to tap into the potential of the real estate market. Liquidity matters. Another advantage of REITs is liquidity. Unlike physical properties, which can take months or even years to sell, REIT shares can be bought and sold on the stock market with ease, providing investors with liquidity when needed. Exploring physical properties. Now, let's shift our focus to investing in physical properties. There's a certain allure to owning tangible assets, but is it the right choice for you? Tangibles. One of the primary benefits of investing in physical properties is the tangible nature of the asset. You can see, touch, and feel what you're investing in, which can provide a sense of security and control. Potential for higher returns. Investing in physical properties has the potential to generate higher returns, especially if you're skilled at finding undervalued properties or implementing value-adding strategies such as renovations or property development. Sweat equity Vs. Passive income. However, it's essential to consider the amount of time, effort, and resources required to manage physical properties. Unlike REITs, which offer passive income with minimal involvement, being a landlord can be a hands-on experience, requiring significant sweat equity. Market fluctuations and risk. Investing in physical properties also exposes you to market fluctuations and specific risks associated with the real estate market, such as vacancies, property damage, or changes in local economic conditions. Comparing the two. Now that we've explored the unique features of both REITs and physical properties, let's compare them head-to-head. Risk Vs. Reward. REITs typically offer lower potential returns compared to physical properties, but come with lower risks and greater liquidity. On the other hand, investing in physical properties can yield higher returns, but requires more active involvement and exposes you to various risks. Passive income Vs. Active management. REITs provide passive income streams with minimal effort required from investors, making them an attractive option for those seeking a hands-off approach to real estate investment. Meanwhile, investing in physical properties demands active management and involvement in property maintenance, tenant management, and financial oversight. Flexibility and control. Investing in physical properties offers investors greater flexibility and control over their investments, allowing them to implement value-adding strategies and make decisions based on individual preferences and market conditions. REIT investors, however, have limited control over property management and investment decisions, as they rely on the expertise of REIT managers. In conclusion, both REITs and physical properties offer unique advantages and disadvantages for investors to consider. Your decision should align with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment strategy. Whether you choose to diversify your portfolio with REITs or take a hands-on approach with physical properties, remember to conduct thorough research and seek professional advice to make informed investment decisions. Thank you for tuning in to JC Wealthsolution. We hope this discussion has provided valuable insights into the world of real estate investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Until next time, happy investing.